Hey everybody. Well, just want to touch base. After the Jeep, here's my unplanned project. So anyhow, I got the fender off right now. I had it on because I had to pull this out about 1.5 to 2 inches to get it to line up and make the seams nice for the new hood and new fender and the headlight, and put the intercooler on. And anyhow, I got the core support all mounted back up. So I ordered everything, minus the bumper, the cover here, the grill. So I'm actually repairing it because it was cracked pretty good. It's hard to see here, but you can see how the crack goes from there all the way down, and I got some right there by the light. So what I'm doing, how I repair these is, obviously I'll sand it down, put filler in, but to get it where it's seamed back together, I take my soldering iron and I just slowly melt on the seam. And I have some broken from the carnage. After I melt this somewhat like this, I melt other plastic onto it. As you can see, that's what I've been doing. Melting this back onto the back side of the seam to really strengthen it up. I mean, I'll put some filler on the front, but I want it to be sturdy, and you won't even notice it when all said and done. It works really well. I've done this for quite a few years and it works perfect. Just takes a little bit of time. Anyhow, I think I'll be picking up the paint sometime this week, maybe paint it next weekend. And my boy could be back to driving himself places. So anyways, thought I'd touch base with people. Any questions, let me know. Till next time.